Hey, welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Bud Live earbuds. So you can see here, Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, and we are going to be opening the box. So let's go ahead and open the top layer. We can see it's a box inside a box. We can leave this on the side if we want. We have some paperwork here, so let's have a quick look at what that means. Either we have to open it from, I don't even know which side is the best side, I guess that way. And let's pull it out, see what comes in here. Actually not that easy to open. Man, so much for a box. Okay, so that is all there is in there. Here we have a quick start guide, we have a warranty and card, and we have some sort of like disposing trash. Then to the content itself, we have the Buds Live here in a bit of a paper wrapper. So that's nice, no plastic there. We wrap that up and they're there. Let's take this out. Then this little box comes with some peripherals and the empty box. Nothing else in there, as you can see, just a bit of tape to hold that down. So let's open the peripherals. What do we get here? So we get a cable. In this case, the cable comes with a paper little bit of tie, and it's a USB-C to USB type A. So type C, type A. So old school to new school. For charging, no charging brick. You'll need a brick. One thing I missed in the unboxing that I'm adding now is they have these wing tips. What are those? They're these little rubber grips that have like a bigger surrounding area. So if you take them out of the case, you will notice that they have like a very small patch there now, and I can remove it. And it has a very small patch on this one too, but I can use these to put them on. It has an R for right and an L for left, and you basically can change them. So that also comes in the box. And then we have the AirPods or Buds Live themselves. Here you see them. They're kind of that bean look, and they're very reflective. So you're seeing all the reflections in from the lights, but basically bean number one, bean number two, and the case. The case has that USB-C you see in the back, and it has a bit an LED on the front, as you can see when I open it. And I put the beans in there. Don't even know how they go, so let's see how that goes. Not like that. Actually, that is not the best design if you ask me. They go in there. 1, 2. You have an LED on the inside and an LED on the outside. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Samsung Buds Live. I'll be making more videos on how to charge them. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.